Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about how to accept the input from the user in the Python code. So Python allows for user input. That means we are able to ask the user for input. Python uses the input method to accept the input from user. So we need to use this input method. So let's check in code. So this is our Python file. So let's say we have one variable which is username. Let's say username is currently root. What if I print this username? So what will be the output in this case? So print will be root. If I run this, so see, we are getting this root value. But what if I want to get this value from the user? So how I can perform this? So in that case I need to make use of input function. So let's say input. So this is input function, and here you can provide message which will be displayed in the console here for the user. Let's say I want to write enter username. Let's save this. So here we are getting the message enter username, and if I click here I will be able to write the username. Let's say the username is John. If I enter now, so we are getting the value here John. So if I run another time and this time I provide the username root, so I will able to get the value as root. So this is the use of input to get the data from user. So if there is another statement like we have print username, but it will not print anything until we provide here the value. So we will need to provide the value to get executed this print statement. But let's say I have another variable here, let's say name, and name has the value John, and I want to print that, print name. Let's run this. So see, name has the value John, but still on console it is not able to print it because before that we have this username which is asking for input from the user. So that's why it is not printing. Once we provide here the value, then it will print the name and username both. Like the name is John and the username we have entered here root. So here it is displayed as root. So what we can do with this input type, let's say I want to accept, let's remove all this. Let's consider I want to just accept the numbers from user and not the strings. So how I can do this? Let's say I have one variable which is of type range, not type, I want to give it name as, let's say, number. Let's give it as my number. Let's say I have this variable name my number, and which will accept the value from the user. Let's say enter number, enter number, and we will print this, print. So let's say I want to print message here entered number is. So I will need to display it, so we will add here plus and my number. So let's save this and run now. So see, we are getting enter number. If I provide here the value of number as 10, enter, so entered number is 10. Let's run this again. So what if I provide here the value, let's say I will say 10. So in that case also I am able to get the value, but I have provided here now string data type and not the integer. So let's run this again and type something different, let's say DFG. Now entered. So still we are able to get this, right? Because there is no data type fixed for this variable. So explicitly we need to provide here, like we need to accept only the int value. So int and provide the round brackets to this whole input function, And if we try to save it and run now, and now if we type this string here, then in that case we are getting invalid literal for int, because we haven't provided int in this case. So in this way you can restrict the user to provide only the integer values. So let's run this again. So enter number, let's say I want to enter 5. So in this case what error I am getting, can only concatenate string not into string. So here the error is, we have print statement, so here we have this string and here we are adding a number to this string, so that's why we are getting this error. If I remove this plus and say comma, let's run this, how it behaves. So enter number 5, enter. So see, in that case I am able to get, so basically that plus was adding these two values, so this was string and this was integer. So string plus integer, the result was not able to produce. So here we don't add this, we just need to print it, so we are able to get the value. What else we can do here? Let's say user is getting a number and I want to multiply that number with 2. So let's say result, we take another variable result, and whatever the number user inputs, we will multiply it by 2. So multiplication 2, and we will print now result. So let's save this, run it. So enter number, if I entered number 100, so I am getting value as 200, because result is printing my number into 2. So my number is 100 and multiplied by 2, we are getting this 200. So in this way you can accept the values from user. So that's it for this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.